Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to get the percentage of total amount in Excel. In order to do that, I have here set a table which shows the sales per month, and we have the total at the bottom. And now I'm going to calculate the percentage of each month of the sales. In order to do that, I'm coming to the January month in a F4 cell, and we'll say equal, and we divide the sale of month by the total. Divide by the total, and in order to prevent to leak and have a faulty calculation, we have to freeze the total amount cell by doing this $$17, and we press enter, and you can see now we have the 21%. We're doing down, dragging down like this, and we're applying to each cell of the month. And we're not done yet. We have to do something more else. We're saying percentage from home, number, clicking this. And we have to format also the cell. We're clicking right to all the cells. We say format cell. And from percentage, we say decimal 2. Press enter. And we're applying this. As you can see, we have now the correct amount of percentage of each month of sales. And I want to see if this is correct. I'm coming to the total. I'm getting all the sales of percentage, and I say auto sum, and I have the 100%. I'm doing once again like this. I'm clicking the percentage to the 100%. As you can see, we have the exact total of 100% of total amount. And the video was like this. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, be safe, have a nice day, bye bye.